Hey everybody, this is Freddie the Fireman from the Wiseguyz Show. We're here at Tappan, New York for the festival we were telling you about with Paul Borghese hosting it, and Biagio's about to perform. I'm telling you right now, look at this. I'm going to show you all around me. Look at what you have. This is an unbelievable event. This is an unbelievable festival, and I'm so happy that I came here. There's so many good people here and friends and a lot of good food. I just had a cappuccino. And I got to say, we're going to go through a little bit more stuff as we walk through. But I want to thank Paul Borghese for asking us. Genevieve Rossi, the horror queen, joined us tonight. And Biagio's about to go up. So when he goes up, I'll show you a little stuff of what he's doing. And it's all good stuff. It's Tappan, New York. And
if I hear the tarantella one more time,
it's unbelievable. That's Paul Borghese just about to get started. So let's go. We'll see
Italian song you got? I finally got Biagio here. Let's have a big hand, and you want to get a seat up front for Biagio. Thank you, brother, for coming.
Thank you. So how many Italians do we have here tonight? All right. How many people from New York? New York? How about Jersey? We brought the Jersey crowd too. So right now, we're going to do a song we do at every Italian wedding. I know you heard the tarantella, but we do a different one. It's called C'è la Luna. So when everybody clap your hands, we're going to have a lot of fun right now. So here we go with C'è la Luna. Let's hit it. Clap your hands. Here we go. C'è la luna nel suo mare, mamma mia, mare, mare. Come on, everybody, clap your hands. Figlia mia, tu da dare, mamma mia, mi piaci tu. Si c'è un mio gusto fare, e tu vero, un patetto umano bene. Si ci dico la banda, si mi fanno più la figlia mia. Everybody, hey mamma, mi voglio mangiare. Hey mamma, che scegliete, baccalà, baccalà. Okay, you do man. Keep your hands clapping, let me sing. C'è la luna nel suo mare, mamma mia, mare, mare. Figlia mia, tu da mare, mamma mia, pensaci tu. Si c'è l'ogno, maggio, maio, il tuo bene, la salsiccia, mano bene.
All right, everybody, we're here at Tappan Festival, Italian American Festival. I'm here with one of the men who made this possible, actor, director, Paul Borghese. What's up, Paul?
Hey, I didn't know he was doing a video. I thought we were taking a picture. That's why it looks frozen.
No, this looks great tonight. I mean, this is unbelievable. I'm so happy you asked us to come. I can't wait. Every year I'll be here.
I'm so glad the Wiseguyz show is here. All you guys are great. We have Biagio on stage right now.
Yeah, I figured let's do an interview with him while he's playing so we can hear his music in the background. But again, I want to thank you, Tappan, New York, for having us. And it's a great time. We're going to do a little video, put it together. I showed everybody. Look at it. Look at it. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. You have a good time here tonight?
I'm glad you're here. Yeah, we have a great weekend ahead of us. We're here till Sunday night.
All right. Thank you. Paul Borghese, everybody.
Everybody wait for squad. Here we go, how we party first. Hey compadre, si vuoi parlare, come parlano I napolitani. E come parlano I napolitani. I napolitani. South Sicily. Hey compadre, si vuoi parlare, come parlano I siciliani. italiani, italiani, gli abruzzesi, i calabresi, i romani, i siciliani, i napoletani. Okay, who won that? Who won that? Let's see, wait, Sicilia one more time, Sicilia. Napoletani. That's kind of even, but you know what? We all won, we're all Italians. Give yourselves a round of applause. Thank you so much on behalf of Biagio, Tiana, Brittany. Thank you so much, Paul Borghese, and the whole committee for having us here. Enjoy yourselves. Thank you so much. Grazie a tutti.
Well, it was a great time. Paul Borghese, we got to thank Paul Borghese, the Sons of Italy at Tappan, New York, for having us stop by. It was a great time. I'd be here tomorrow and Sunday too if it wasn't for Orange Italian American Festival that we're hosting. But I got to say, the crowd here is unbelievable here at Tappan, New York. Sons of Italy knocked it out of the park. This is going to be a great weekend. We will be here next year, and again, Paul Borghese and the whole crew at the Sons of Italy at Tappan, thank you for having us. Great time, and God bless you for everything you do for the Italian American community. All right, we had a great time tonight here at Tappan. Thank you, Paul Borghese, for having Biagio and all the great fun we had here, all the people. There's got to be thousands and thousands of people here.
Easy 2,000.
Biagio, what do you think next year?
Next year, yeah, we have a great time.
Absolutely.
Time here tonight.
Over and over again. One of the best setups I ever saw in my entire life.
We're gonna do one on show because Mike's not here.
This is for Michael.
This is for Michael and the Sons of Italy. Here's Genevieve Rossi. This is for Paul Borghese and the Sons of Italy. A little touch of New Jersey Italians. On the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Azzo!
Ciao, Michael. We miss you.